Two major AI platforms, each shaping the future of creativity and productivity. Which one really delivers? On the left, Claude, AI for thoughtful writing and reasoning. And on the right, Runway, a next-generation AI media studio for creative visuals. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's our game plan for today. We're going to look at core focus, multimodal capabilities, text and coding, performance and speed, pricing, privacy and data, and finally, who these tools are actually meant for. You see everything laid out? It's going to be fun. Let's roll through these one by one. Let's start off with core focus. First up, Claude. Now, Claude is all about text, summaries, writing, code, even some pretty deep reasoning. It feels like your own personal research assistant. It just gets the context, keeps the conversation flowing, and honestly, really nails nuanced stuff. Downside, no native image or video stuff here. So if you're all about generating visuals, not happening. Okay, now on to Runway. This one is an absolute powerhouse for anything visual. Video creation, image editing, AI-powered effects, you name it. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in your browser. But text? Meh, don't expect super deep writing or chat. It's not built for that. In the core focus department, Runway takes it. All right, shifting gears to multimodal capabilities. So, Claude, let's be real, can handle documents. And there's a bit of basic image analysis, but nothing mind-blowing. There's no true multimodal creation, so no video or audio generation here. It feels more like a super smart librarian than a movie director. Runway, on the other hand, pretty much lives in multimodal land. It turns out videos, edits photos, makes assets, and those AI effects, wild. If you want creativity across media, this is top tier. Only catch is, it's not the best if you want long-form, thoughtful writing. Winner here is Runway. No contest. Next category, text encoding. This is definitely Claude's home turf. Think best in class at summarizing, editing, even hardcore coding stuff like refactoring giant code projects. If you want clean prose or bug fixes, it's got your back. Only thing is, it's text only. So if you dreamed of generating memes or music videos, yeah, nope. Runway, meanwhile, does have some cool prompt-based scripting for video, like move this here, add that effect. But when it comes to pure text or actual code help, it's kind of weak. This one's clear as day. Claude definitely comes out on top. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Runway's Gen 2 model can actually generate entirely brand new video scenes just from a text prompt? Imagine typing out an idea and literally getting a video back. Kind of wild, right? Let's talk performance and speed. Claude is fast, reliable, and can handle super large context windows, like seriously, up to thousands of tokens. It even has a special thinking mode for deep dives, so if you want it to chew over something complex, that's great. On busy days, especially if you're on a free plan, you might hit a little slow patch though. Flip side, Runway, when you're churning out video or assets, is actually pretty snappy for cloud stuff. But if the video is huge or you go wild with effects, expect some longer waits. Call it a tie. Both are solid, just depends on what you're making. Now, pricing. Claude's pretty friendly for solo users. There's a free tier and Pro runs $17 a month. If you need even more, Max goes up to $100. Only slight bummer, you do hit limits on free plans. Runway is cool for creators and teams. Flexible pricing, some free stuff, but once you get into serious video territory, costs can jump fast. You might end up paying quite a lot for premium effects. Claude edges ahead when it comes to pricing. Okay, privacy and data. So Claude lets users delete their text data within 30 days. Super pro for privacy. It's from the folks at Anthropic, so they really push enterprise safety. Just a heads up, free users will still need a basic account. Runway does regular privacy for creative assets, and your uploaded media sticks around unless you manually delete it. It's functional, but not as tight on privacy as Claude. So Claude is the winner here. Last category, ideal use case. Here's where things get interesting. Claude shines for researchers, editors, anyone coding, or people who want deep, thoughtful conversations. What it doesn't do is make direct media content. Runway is made for video, generative art, marketing teams, really anyone cranking out creative stuff. But if you need Q&A that's super intricate or want to refactor big code bases, that's not its thing. Frankly, both absolutely crush it at their specialties, so it's a tie. Look at this chart. Runway absolutely dominates for visual creation and multimodal stuff, while Claude has pure authority in text, coding, and privacy. Depending on your project, your winner probably jumps right out. So honestly, if you live in docs, writing, research, or code, you want Claude. But if your show is creative media, generating videos, assets, or wild effects, Runway is the dream. Pick by your needs, and you seriously can't go wrong with either. Hey, if this battle helped at all, hit subscribe. There's more face-offs coming, and you'll want to be here for the next round.